answer another quick question that I've had a couple of on how do you change spools in that AMS? Is it hard? I think this came from someone that does not have one of these yet, that maybe is thinking about getting one. One of the things I really like about the AMS unit on this X-Carbon printer is, I'm going to show you, I'm going to load a spool of black in because I'm going to run a job, and the black that's in there's not much left of. When that spool runs out, the printer realizes that, switches over to the other spool of black, keeps on going through the project, and it's seamless. You can't even tell where it happened. But take you on here quick, show you how to do this. It's not hard. Okay, so here's how to do it. On the main screen, your home screen there, I got some kind of weird reflection from something somewhere. At any rate, hopefully you can see all this okay. See your colors in your AMS unit down here. Just touch that. That'll bring this up right here, and I'm going to be taking out this one over here on the end. So if I press on that one, this one, then I can click on, oh, I guess it unloaded itself. That was nice. So I can just take that one out. I'll set my next spool in, the one I just filled here. Now, something that I always do that, I don't know, maybe you don't have to, but I always cut the filament so it's straight. And boy, see there, it's black filament. But I cut it with a very, very sharp angle to it, so that it almost has a point. That lets it feed easier. Just stick it in the hole there, and it loaded itself. So it's just that easy. You see the little thing going round and round there, and the spool is rotating as it goes in. It'll identify itself as being black. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to run a job. See, it changes, it knows it's black. I'm going to run a job on here, but there's not very much black left in that one. This has an automatic transfer. When that one runs out, it'll automatically go over to this other black one. I'll have that set up in Bambu Studio. I'll kind of show you here on my spools. So this up a little bit. So as you can see, there's not much left in that spool right there. It's getting down pretty low. So when this one runs out, this one will pick it right back up. One of the things I love about this printer. So as you can see, it was simple, nothing to it. Yeah, there's a lot of short videos here about 3D printers right now because I'm up in the loft and I've got a lot of projects going. It's air conditioned up here. It's blazing hot, humid outside. So I'm trying to get a bunch of these things done. And when viewers make a request, and you can make a request if there's something you'd like to see, you put it down in the comments, and I write those down. I make a list. I may not get to them right away, but I will eventually get to them. And this happens to be the day that I'm messing with 3D printers, so a bunch of little 3D printer videos. I don't know how far I'll space them apart, but actually there's a couple more, so they'll come. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. And if you have questions about your 3D printer, we have a live stream every Wednesday night at 6:30, that's Central Time. Be sure and join us. There'll be a link on my site. There's 4 of us on there. Do talk about 3D printers and lasers and CNC and some woodworking and how to sell your stuff and all kinds of stuff. So it's always a fun time. Make sure you join us. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger in the loft above the shop. See you in the next one.